Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Zach in North Carolina on the Stryker SR-955HP. Zach got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, ERF 2030 Plus is upgraded. Upgraded your 3-pin power cord to the heavy duty one with 10 amp fuses, and she's ready to rock and roll, man. Let's go ahead and get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got you at 2 watts, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it up. A very safe 20 watts of carrier. Show you average power swing. Low. Dancing right around that 70 watt mark. And 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. At 115. Alright, Zach, it's ready to come to you, bud. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.